Hey guys, this is Carlos, your Director of Sport Performance, and this week's exercise pro is going to be lower extremity reaches. You want to utilize these exercises to help and challenge strength, stabilization, and proprioception of your lower extremity. Now there's some key components before you start doing these exercises to make sure that you focus on. And that is 1, keeping your chest up, 2, making sure that you sit on your heel, and 3, that your knee does not collapse inwards, we call valgus collapse, or outwards, varus collapse. Okay, so your first lower extremity reaches are going to be an anterior reach, a lateral reach, and a posterior reach. Once we master those exercises, then we're going to go into a dynamic reach, and we call it a sweep. So your first reach is going to be anterior, and this is what it's going to look like. You want to make sure you can do this on the floor, or for these purposes here, I'm going to step onto a box so you can see exactly what's going on. Your first reach is going to be an anterior reach. Again, your knees, make sure that when you step on here, it's right over the ankle, and we're not looking for any movement from side to side. Again, your first focus again is just standing on one leg, popping the other leg in front of you. This is going to be your anterior reach. You keep your chest up, hands up in front. I'm going to go hip action first. I'm going to sit down on my heel, making sure my knee does not collapse inwards or outwards. You go as far as you can and pop right back up. That is your anterior reach. Again, you'll do those for repetitions to help master that skill. Once you master that, then you can go outwards, lateral. Again, the reach is going to be out, but that stance leg, again, stays as even as possible and in line right over the ankle. And your posterior reach, again, is going to be legging back, chest up, hip action first, sitting down, making sure, again, that your knee does not collapse. And your last and final movement is going to be your dynamic sweep. And that looks like just like this. Again, you're on your stance leg. We're going to involve all 3 directions, all this one functional movement. We're going to go up into that reach position. We're going to go posterior reach first. You'll go hands in front. You'll squat. Hold that position. Drive the other leg through. And extend up. Again, you'll squat. Keep that knee from collapsing in and out. Drive that leg through. And pop right back up. So those are your lower extremity reaches. You have an anterior, you have a lateral, and you have your posterior. Once you master those skills, then you can therefore go into your dynamic reach. This is this week's exercise pro. Look for more exercises to come.